Hello dear students, I am Mrs. Amandeep Gurjar, teaching SST subject lesson 6, class 4th. Name of the lesson, the four domains of the earth. What are the four domains? Today we will read about this topic. Okay, first of all get going. In this box given above, जो ऊपर दिया गया है, draw and color a picture of the world around you. जो आपके around picture है, you can draw. The picture should include, what should include? Mountains, clouds in the sky, trees, animals or people, or a river or the sea. Water body also shows in this picture. Such a picture you will have to draw. Now come to the first para. See here, the earth, as you know, consists of land, water, air and variety of life forms. जो हमारी अर्थ है that include different parts of our life like land, water, air and variety of life like human being, plants, animals, living things such as. Each of them forms a separate domain or sphere. Domain is called sphere. Sphere means part. Each of them forms a separate part of our life. They are called lithosphere. They are called the lithosphere. Lithosphere means land. These include all activities with the land, and the hydrosphere include water bodies, all types of water bodies. Atmosphere means air. It includes all layers of the atmosphere which around our earth, and the biosphere where life forms exist from the point of view animals, plants and human beings. These four domains are interdependent means beta they are connected with each other and always interact with each other. To understand life on each better, हमें इस लाइफ को और भी बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड मोर अबाउट दिस फोर मेजर डोमेन्स ऑफ द अर्थ. तो हमें सबसे पहले इन फोर डोमेन्स के बारे अच्छे से रीड करना चाहिए. एंड देयर इंटरेक्शन विद ईच अदर. व्हाट आर द इंटरेक्शन टूवर्ड्स ईच अदर? we will come to know after reading these four domains of the earth. Okay, first see lithosphere include all the land part, and hydrosphere includes all types of water body. Biosphere includes plants and animals and human beings also. Atmosphere includes all the layers in the sky like thermosphere, exosphere, mesosphere, etc. First of all, see here, I am drawing three circles. You see the circle carefully. This part is lithosphere. This one is hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means all types of water body, and this one is atmosphere. And जो fourth part है, that one is here we can that part is interacted. कैसे बना है? After the interaction of the three parts, this part is called biosphere. Very important part in our life. Okay, now we will read separately about these four domains, how the three domains make a biosphere. At the end we will read about the biosphere. Now see the lithosphere. The solid outer layer of the earth is called lithosphere. जो outer layer है हमारी earth की, suppose this one is outer layer, this is the earth and this one is outer layer. Okay, the solid outer layer of the earth is called lithosphere. It is made up of rocks and soils. ये किसकी बनी हुई है? Rocks and soils की. The lithosphere plays an important role in our lives. जो lithosphere है, it has a great importance in our lives. We live on the lithosphere means we live on land. We also get minerals and fuels from the lithosphere. All types of our needs like minerals, fuels we get from the lithosphere. It plays very important role in the growth of the plants. ये बहुत important रोल अदा करती है हमारी लाइफ में जो लिथोस्फीयर में मिनरल्स एंड फ्यूल्स हमें मिलते हैं. इट प्लेज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन द ग्रोथ ऑफ plants as the soil needed for plants to grow is found here, and it also plays important role from the point of view soil, because soil helps to grow the plants, and soil has a lot of nutrients. Okay, next, the lithosphere consists of what? Consists all types of continent and ocean basins. Ocean basins means all types of water bodies, like ocean, sea, river, lake. हम उसे कहते हैं जैसे तालाब होते हैं छोटे छोटे. Continents are large distinct land masses separated by the vast oceans and seas. जो हमारे कंटिनेंट होते हैं वो लाइक दिस होते हैं. These are large distinct land masses होते हैं. First of all, in all the time these all continent were together, but after the passage of time they get separate from each other. And this one is our first continent, North America. Second one, South America. And here is the ocean Atlantic, that is the part of hydrosphere. Okay, we are talking about the lithosphere. And Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, and these are मिलके क्या बनते हैं? all types of continent. The surface of the continents is irregular. जो surface of continent है irregular है, not continue. Sometimes it has a water bodies, sometimes land, and variety of landforms like mountains, valleys, plateaus, plains are also found in the continent. In these continents, there are 7 continents in the world. How many continents? 7. First is Asia. Asia, that one is the biggest continent in our world. Africa, North America. Africa is there. North America, South America, and 5th Antarctica. Here is Antarctica, this one, and here is Europe. See the Europe, and Antarctica is here beta. Europe and Australia. Okay, Australia is such a continent which is smallest as well as island continent, is known as island continent. Okay, and next one, very important, we have talked about the lithosphere. Lithosphere include the upper layer of mantle up to the crust. This part is called lithosphere. Here all types of valleys, plateaus and mountains are available. Okay, up to this part we will read about the lithosphere. Here the land on which we live and the soil on which plants grow are part of lithosphere. Another example, the earth consists of 3 layers: the crust, the mantle and the core. Here is shown core, the crust, upper crust इसे कहते हैं, and lower crust इसे कहते हैं. Upper crust, lower crust. Okay, upper mantle, lower mantle. The crust, mantle and the core, this consists of 3 layers. Our earth, the lithosphere consists of crust and the upper part of the mantle. Main thing is called lithosphere. Okay dear students, I hope you are clear about this topic about the lithosphere. In next video we will read about the all types of continents. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.